breathing in heavy heart. What's your daughter? I can ask. Excuse me. Okay. Sorry. Okay. What else do they have? Ooh, the dress is good. I long to see. The thing is like weird with the red pepper. When the day is done.
I'm a problem.
Is it ready?
This is very close to stand over here.
Yay! Thank you. Time to go to the beach. Yes. I wanna rest and lay in your side. Yeah. California in Ooh, that's warm. Whoa. Oh wow, everything.
Very clean.
Well, it's pretty active right here. There's a lot of people. I hope you enjoyed that montage. I'm going to Channel Islands next week, so I did a little bit thing today, not much editing. But I hope you enjoyed that. There's a lot of people right here right now. Keep your 6 feet distance, and of course, wear your mask always. Thanks for watching.